Hey girl, what's up? It's your girl Kayla, and today I'm going to be doing an inspired look by the Ariana Grande God is a Woman music video. I absolutely love this look, so I wanted to try it out. So I'm going to start off with using my full lips device to plump my lips up, even though it only keeps them full for maybe like 2 minutes for now, but the more I use it, the better it gets. I'm going to prime my face with my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I absolutely love this primer, but I found out a new way to apply it, which I didn't know today, but I'll try it in my next video. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation in the shade Golden and apply that all over my face. This is a really full coverage foundation. I absolutely love it, although drugstore foundations do break me out, so I'm at like a loss right now. It kind of sucks. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm going to be highlighting my face and concealing my under eye circles with that. Then I'm going to blend that out with my Beauty Blender, which I just bought a new one, and I've been washing it so much that I'm like, I don't know if I want to be using Beauty Blenders anymore, even though I love them. They're just too expensive, and I feel like I need to replace them every like 2 weeks. It kind of sucks. I'm going to apply whatever's left over from my under eyes to my lids, and then blend out the rest of my face. Next, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Infallible Concealer, and I'm going to be contouring my face with that, as well as my nose. Face, nose, same thing. Yeah, it works. I'm going to blend that out with my Beauty Blender as well. Next, I'm going to be baking with my Beauty Bakery flour powder, and I absolutely love this stuff. I need to repurchase this before it runs out because it is online only, so it might take a minute. This I discovered at the drugstore and I wanted to give it a try. It's my Wet n Wild brow pencil, and I'll have the shade down below, but I absolutely love this thing. It was like $3, and I thought I loved the LA Girl eyebrow pencil, but oh my gosh, this is amazing. For eyes, I'm going to be taking my Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking the taupey lavender color, if that makes any sense, and I'm going to apply this in the crease, and then I'm going to go over that with the lighter purple that looks like it wouldn't be darker on my eyelid, but somehow it is. And I'm just going to be packing that right under the transition shade that we put. I'm going to carve out my eyelid because it is a double cut crease. And I'm using my Shape Tape to do so. Then I'm applying whatever is left over on my lid. I'm going in with the same lighter purple that somehow turns up deeper on my lid, and I'm just going to be deepening the crease, and I'm also using that shade to go in the outer corner of my eye, but also leaving that space in between where it's a cut crease. Does that make any sense? I hope it makes sense to you guys. And I'm also going to wing it out so it looks like my eyes have wings. Hey. I'm bringing that dark purple into my inner corner as well, and just going back and forth and blending that out on the outer corner and inner corner. And I'm going to take a deeper purple and do the same thing. Next, I'm taking the shimmery shades in the palette and just applying that all over the lid. And then I'm going to take the black in the palette, the only black, and just apply that in the outer corner to wing it out like it's liner, but I'm not going to bring it on my lid at all. Next, I'm going to wipe away the bake, and then I'm going to be applying the darker purple shades on my lower lash line. On my inner corner, I'm using the light vanilla shade, and then I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my eye curler. And then I'm going to apply mascara. I didn't show you guys this, but it's my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, not my Telescopic Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. It's Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I absolutely love it. I had a sty, so I had to get new mascara, and I just wanted to try this out. I absolutely love it. It's so good. I'm not applying falsies today because she didn't have falsies in the music video. but otherwise I would be applying falsies because my eyes look naked without it. And I'm going to be applying my NYX Wonder Pencil on my lower lash line to make it look more awake and brighter. I'm taking my NYX bronzer in Deep Tan, and I'm going to be applying that on my cheeks, the hollows of my cheekbones. I'm bronzing up my face with that. I just absolutely love this. I love the way my skin turned out with this look. It's so good. My lips look so weird. It's so funny. For cheeks, I'm taking my Wet n Wild color icon in the shade Mellow Wine. I absolutely love this blush. I wish I had more different colors, but... And then for highlight, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills X Amarizi highlighter and just applying that all over my face where I normally would. Then for lips, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, and I'm going to be mixing the white and the purple shade and just applying that on my lips. And if you want to stop here, you can, but I decided to mix the white and the purple again and apply it all over my face. And I also added a blue with the white. I mixed the blue with the white to make like a periwinkle blue, and I applied that all over my face like she had in the music video. So as you guys will see here, I went ahead and mixed that and just applied it. I did wish I had some, what are they called, aqua paints to do this. I mean, I probably did, I just was a little lazy to go look for them. But I felt like it was a little difficult to do the lipstick on my face as my brush was running out of products real quickly. But if I was using the aqua paints, it probably would have been a lot easier. So if you want to recreate this for maybe Halloween or something, I would recommend doing that instead. But I really like the way this came out. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave it a like if you did, and also comment down below on what you guys would like to see next. I have a couple videos in mind, but be sure to subscribe to the family of kings and queens, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys!